Riverside Elementary traded in their traditional berry blue school colors for bright orange. Every year, Riverside students and staff parade around the school in support of Unity Day. The symbolic bright orange color is a striking visual message to unite for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. Riverside's own Boomin' Bears drumline led the procession and finished the parade with an energetic performance. The entire school fell in line behind the young percussionists, dressed in orange and holding hand-drawn posters and banners in support of no child ever experiencing bullying. Along the way, Newport News police officers kept the paraders safe, while families cheered on the students' efforts to unite for kindness.